Hello, Steppers. Today we'll be going over GauchoSpace. This will be one of the most frequently used websites during your undergrad. Here you will be able to access your courses and any resources that your instructors have prepared for their courses. During STEP, you will need to log into GauchoSpace to access your writing and transition courses. Here you will log in using your UCSB NetID and your password. Your UCSB NetID will be the same as your UCSB email without the @ucsb.edu portion. At first glance, you will see your name and email address along with your UCSB course overview. Feel free to explore on your own, but today we will be looking at some key features. Here on the right-hand side, you will see a UCSB academic calendar. Below, you will find important UCSB dates and registration information. This is helpful to know when grades will need to be submitted by your instructors, which will give you an idea of when your grades will be ready. If you hover over, you will see any upcoming assignments, due dates, or quiz deadlines. There are other helpful tools below, such as UCSB Library Resources, Gotcha Goals, and UCSB TV. Here, we will be going over how to make any edits to your student profile, which will be viewable to your classmates. Here, you will be able to add more information about yourself, change your UCSB profile picture, edit any preferences, privacy settings, and more. To change or create pronouns, you will need to use gold. Before we go back to the homepage, this toolbar will allow you to access the homepage, your courses in the help setting. The course tab will allow you to access any course websites for courses that are made public. You do not have to be registered into the course to access it. It is helpful if you are waitlisting a course and need to access the syllabus, PowerPoints, etc. Now we will check out what a course website looks like. Here is an example of what a course would look like. Again, by the time STEP begins, you will have courses in this area. You will be able to see any announcements made by your instructors, which may be also emailed out to your UCSB email. Instructors may also upload their syllabus, midterm and final paper prompts, Zoom class links, office hours, etc. During STEP, the course website is where you will find instructions for assignments. The course website is also where you will find the Zoom links for your transition and writing courses. You will see your class assignments, lectures, and/or readings according to its perspective week. Although mine looks a bit empty, your course website may have more links to explore. On the right-hand side, you will see helpful tools specific to the course. Peachmail can be used to email your instructor or TA. There are other features such as latest news and download files. Here is where you will be able to see your course grade progress. Depending on how often your instructor or TA updates grades, you will be able to see how your assignments calculate to the total. Some instructors will grade differently, so always refer to the syllabus. You will not be graded on your work during STEP, but you will visit this site more than once during the academic year. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you begin navigating GauchoSpace for your own courses. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any STEP staff members.